Assalamu alaikum. Today the topic which we are going to discuss is melting and boiling points. First of all, you should know the definitions of melting and boiling points. Number one, melting point. Melting point is actually the temperature at which solid and liquid phases are in equilibrium. Solid and liquid are in equilibrium. While boiling point can be defined in the simplest way as boiling point is the temperature at which vapor pressure becomes equal to the external atmospheric pressure. Vapor pressure is just equal to the external pressure. This temperature is called boiling point. There are some variations of melting and boiling points across the periods and groups. First of all, we will discuss variation or trends of melting and boiling points in periods. In periods, melting and boiling points increases up to the middle. For example, up to group 4A. What is the reason behind this? Actually, when we move from left to right across the period up to the group 4A, the number of binding or bonding electrons are maximum up to group 4A, which is carbon family. Actually, the elements of group 1A have one electron available for bond formation, while group 2A have two electrons. 3A contains three electrons. 4A give four electrons for the bonding purpose. It can make four bonds, while again group 5A has five electrons in outermost shell. It accepts three electrons to complete its octet and it can form three bonds, while group 6A can make usually two bonds, group 7A can make one bond. It means up to the middle of the series. Group 4A is the group that contain maximum number of bonding electrons, so that's why its melting and boiling points are maximum. In groups, melting and boiling points decreases from top to bottom. What is the reason behind this? Actually, atomic size increases from top to bottom, due to which binding forces are weaker and it is easy to melt or boil the given element or its compounds. For molecules, the case is reverse. For the molecules, for example, elements of group 7A, which are halogen family, they exist in the form of molecules. Their melting and boiling points increases in groups. From top to bottom, their melting and boiling points increases. From fluorine to iodine. What is the reason behind this? Why the melting and boiling points of halogens increases down the group? The reason is that due to larger size of from top to bottom within group, their polarizability increases, due to which their binding forces increases, and we can say that melting and boiling points of halogens increases from top to bottom. Here you can see that when we move from left to right across the periodic table, atomic numbers increases. Lithium belongs to group 1A. It means it has only one electron for binding purpose. Beryllium contains two electrons for binding purpose. Boron from group 3A contains three electrons for binding purpose. And carbon contains maximum electrons for the binding purpose. So that's why we can say that from lithium to carbon in period number 2, melting and boiling points increases. And from carbon up to the from carbon to nitrogen and up to the right corner of the periodic table, there is decrease of melting and boiling points, which is usually due to the presence of least number of binding electrons. Thank you.